In this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Game sharing is an easy and convenient way to explore various different other games. So if you have a friend or a family member and you want to access games on their account, or the opposite, where they want to access your games, follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to share your games across different PlayStation 4 consoles. First, on your account, go over to Settings and then Account Management. So let's do this from the perspective of you sharing your games with a friend. But of course, you can apply the same logic to the process depending on your circumstances. So if you are going to be the one sharing, go over to Settings, choose Account Management. And in here, you have to make sure that your PlayStation 4 console is deactivated as the primary one. So deactivate your primary PlayStation 4 console. Once it is deactivated, you will be able to sign into your account on your friend's console. So once again, for this example, let's say this is a friend's console and they want to access your games. So go over to their console, or they can do it for you. You give them your credentials, they will go over to new user and they will sign into your PlayStation Network account. So they should log in using your credentials. Once they sign into your account on their console, so this is going to be their account, and they sign into yours, now they will be able to activate your account as the primary one. Once your account is signed into their PlayStation 4 and it is active as the primary console, then they will be able to download any games from your PlayStation Network library. Of course, if you want to do the opposite, where you will be accessing your friend's game, then you sign into your friend's account on your PlayStation 4 and you make sure that it is set as the active or the primary PlayStation 4. This is why in the beginning of the video we deactivated it. You can only have one primary console at a time, so only activate it after you sign into your respective account. So I hope I was able to help you game share on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our content are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality content, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.